If you have been anywhere near financial Twitter, crypto TikTok, or even mainstream news lately, you have probably seen people talking about something called MAGA Coin. Some are calling it the next political meme token wave. Some are saying it is the crypto version of a campaign slogan. Others insist it is nothing more than hype with a short shelf life. But the real question for investors is simple. Is MAGA Coin an actual investment opportunity, or just another internet-driven speculative moment destined to fade as quickly as it appeared? Today, we are breaking down the MAGA Coin phenomenon, what it is, why it has exploded, who is behind it, and whether it has any legitimate financial value. And if you want more content that simplifies fast-moving finance and crypto trends, be sure to subscribe so you never miss the insights that matter. Let's start with the obvious. MAGA Coin is not an official political currency. No campaign created it, no government endorsed it, and no regulatory body has recognized it as anything more than a digital token. In reality, MAGA Coin was launched by independent creators riding the growing trend of political meme coins. These coins often appear during election cycles because traders know that political emotions, whether excitement or controversy, can drive massive online engagement, and engagement often translates directly into token trading volume. But the way MAGA Coin is being marketed tells you a lot about why people are paying attention. It is tapping into a large, loud, and extremely online community. Supporters see it almost as a badge of identity. Critics see it as a joke, and both sides end up talking about it, which is exactly how speculative tokens gain traction. In crypto, attention is a currency of its own, and MAGA Coin has plenty of it. However, attention alone does not make an asset investable. So let's talk about utility. At the moment, MAGA Coin does not have real-world utility, a functional ecosystem, or a major long-term roadmap. It lives primarily in the category of meme tokens, assets driven more by culture and speculation than by fundamentals. This doesn't automatically make it worthless, but it does mean its price action is likely to be volatile, unpredictable, and heavily dependent on social media momentum. And this is where risk comes in. Meme tokens can produce explosive gains for early traders, but they can also produce equally explosive losses for anyone entering late. Their value is rarely tied to revenue, assets, or business activity. Instead, the price usually moves based on sentiment, online trends, and market attention. Once the conversation shifts or the hype cycle cools, the price can collapse sharply. We have seen this happen repeatedly with political tokens, celebrity tokens, and even AI-themed meme coins. Huge spikes, then weeks or months of slow decline. So, should investors take MAGA Coin seriously? From a purely financial perspective, it depends on your strategy. If you treat it like a speculative play, something high risk, high volatility, and purely driven by hype, then it becomes similar to betting on short-term momentum. Some traders thrive on that. But if you are looking for something with stable fundamentals, long-term growth potential, and proven utility, MAGA Coin does not check those boxes today. Now, there is another factor worth discussing: political cycles. Election seasons create huge surges in online engagement. As candidates dominate headlines and supporters flood social platforms, meme coins tied to political branding tend to surge simply because people are talking about them. But the pattern is extremely predictable. Interest grows during heated political moments, then fades dramatically once the election ends. If MAGA Coin is following this pattern, and all signs suggest it is, then its life cycle could be tied directly to the news cycle point. One of the biggest misconceptions in the market right now is that MAGA Coin somehow reflects official political or financial sentiment. But that's not the case. The token is not influenced by government policy. It does not represent any formal economic plan, and no major institution treats it as a legitimate financial instrument. That doesn't mean speculation is impossible. It simply means you should not mistake cultural attention for economic value. There is also the risk of copycat tokens. When a meme coin goes viral, dozens of imitators usually follow. Some are created by opportunistic developers hoping to capitalize on the hype. Others are outright scams designed to pump quickly and disappear. This fragmentation makes it harder for any single meme token to maintain long-term value. It also increases the chance that inexperienced users buy the wrong token entirely, something we have seen many times in crypto history. But let's be clear, not everything about MAGA Coin is negative. Its rise shows how powerful online communities have become. It demonstrates how culture, politics, and technology continue to collide in unexpected ways. And it highlights a growing trend. Financial markets are no longer driven only by institutions. They are increasingly influenced by digital tribes capable of creating waves overnight. So, is MAGA Coin a legitimate investment? The most accurate answer is that it is a speculative digital asset with no fundamental valuation, no institutional backing, and no proven long-term utility. It can generate short-term momentum, but it carries significant downside risk once attention moves on. Investors should approach it the same way they approach any high-volatility meme token, with a clear exit plan, disciplined risk management, and the understanding that hype is not the same as valued. If you want more breakdowns like this, no politics, just clean financial analysis. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Your support helps us cover more topics that matter in the worlds of finance, crypto, and the new digital economy.